hardest job in U-Haul are female across the United States.
Being a woman in a man's field, I personally love it.
One of our most difficult projects? A really fast moving job. Out. And 10 days later, back into the same house.
Hey Ryan, it's going really well. How you doing?
Well, you guys are making really fast work of this.
Yeah, these moving help guys are awesome.
I know one of the things moving help, not just moving this stuff, but when I was here earlier, Aaron and Holly went to go up to Scarlett's room and they just couldn't pack the stuff. It was too emotional. So these guys have really helped alleviate that.
Pack it nice and tight for you, take great care of it, put it in our ready-to-go box, which makes life a little bit easier for everybody. Get them out to the U-Box container.
The U-Box containers, I really like those because instead of cramming it in one big warehouse, everything's kind of separated. It's great for me because when we need to go find something, we don't have to go all the way through a building and look for it.
And this family, with a total remodel, you know, they've used up 18 of our U-Box containers.
Wow.
So as you can see, Ryan, the U-Box containers fit nicely in anyone's driveway.
I just can't imagine there's 18 of these full of stuff.
I know, we have warehouses, we'll store them there. If you're moving cross country, we'll take them cross country for you.
Yeah.
But you can see inside, I mean, plenty of room to put stuff in. And like them having so much, yeah, it took 18. But other families might only need 2 or 3.
Well, you guys have certainly made it a lot easier for me. I got a bunch of stuff to do. I can't thank you guys enough. Yeah. Hey, veteran movers, appreciate it, guys.
Being able to empty the house out, it helps Ryan's team get to work, you know, without having to shift anything around, because the moving help guys did all of that for them.
It's all closed up, secure, ready to go.
All right, appreciate you, Nick, and all your guys.
Thank you very much. You have a great day.
All right.